red, yellow, and orange. I'm changing the color of the
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust's gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations, we'll find our way. Through the celestial symphony, we'll sway. With every step, we leave our
First you will draw the
cares
pose.
behind.
Then like a drop, then a
In
drop,
this celestial ballroom, love's
shape of
defined.
drop.
Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, with fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. The shimmering galaxies will find our way. Guided by love's everlasting sway, with the celestial heartbeat, we'll dance on. In this cosmic
You must remember the
light,
steps first.
as we twirl in the magic of the
We have started
cosmic
with 4
light.
and then we draw the balloon, or you can say we have drawn the shape of droplet. light blue, then on the right side you will draw a C. So,